What's going on, guys? Brian Quick here, your Mooresville, Charlotte, Lake Norman, and surrounding areas realtor. I want to hop on here today and talk to you about if you are considering selling your home and you don't have an agent that you already use, what do you need to look for whenever you are looking to hire an agent? Or maybe you already know an agent that you've used before and you need to rethink maybe, are they the best fit for you? So I'm going to give you guys 5 unique modern reasons of why to hire the agent that you need to get the best money, exposure, profit for, okay? So I'm not gonna waste your time, I'm gonna dive right in. Number 1, you need to look at their social media, okay? How active are they on social media? I'm not talking about posting a picture of their dog or a picture of them at the park or a picture of them at the beach, you know, every now and then on Facebook, Instagram, or whatever, or do they even have an account on Instagram? What I'm talking about is a strategic realtor who posts strategic material on their social media, gaining the most exposure for their listings, the most exposure for their buyers, and the most exposure for their business. If your real estate agent that you're hiring or you're looking at is considering and is not posting actual strategic real estate videos and it's just a picture of their dog or their time at the park, you probably really need to rethink this, because this is the newest and best modern way to market and get exposure to your house whenever you list with them. So you need to make sure that they have a good following, or at least good strategic material that is consistently posted every single day. Not once a month, not once every other week. They need to be consistently posting every single day, or at least every other day. Number 2, do they have a great website that actually makes you sign up whenever you click 2 or 3 homes? Okay, the reason why this is a good thing is because here's the thing. If the agent you hire is selling your house and you have your house on the market and they are listing it, okay, people are going to want to see this house. Well, if you want to be able to get the most exposure and have the most people come into your house to look at your house that's not with an agent already, you need to have them be able to come through to a landing page. Well, your agent needs to have that happen. Okay, because whenever that happens, that person coming to look at your house on their website is going to go into their CRM, and then they can follow up with that client or prospect about buying your house. And then they can help you work on both ends of the deal. Better yet, making sure all communication is with one person, and you don't have to have 2 real estate agents. You only have to have 1 real estate agent. And in most cases, that sometimes can even save you commission. Okay? Number 3, do they currently use AI? Okay, we all know artificial intelligence, AI is the future and where we're going. Guys, real estate agents that are using AI are making more profit for their sellers that they're listing. Why is this? Because AI is able to predict where the market is going, where your house could be sitting, when's the best time to sell, what you need to do to most optimize your specific house, and how to actually use context and words that are going to have keywords that are going to help bring your listing up to the next level and in front of more people. So your real estate agent needs to be making sure that they are generating AI, ChatGPT, or whatever they use to be able to help your listing get exposure in front of more people. Number 4, how well known is your agent in the area that you are selling? If no one knows who this agent is, or if this agent hasn't done many sales in your area, that could be a warning sign or a red flag. They need to be somebody that's like, oh yeah, I've worked with Brian plenty of times on another deal. You know, he's great at what he does. You know, they need to have that rapport and exposure to people around the area. Okay, that's why whenever I work with someone who I'm listing their house, more than likely I've sold multiple homes in that same neighborhood. I literally had just 2 listings that go out in December in the same neighborhood, and I sold another house last July in that same neighborhood. Why is that? Because I have exposure there. I've done well in this neighborhood, and people know that. So whenever you are in that position, you know, hey, Brian has sold 2 other homes and it's done really great for his clients. I know he's going to do well for me. versus if you know somebody if you're trying to hire somebody who's never done any business or no one knows, that could come back you up and bite you. So you do not want that to happen. And then number 5, do they have good Google reviews? Guys, would you go to a restaurant that had a 1.2, 2.5 rating? No, probably not. You need to make sure that they have a good Google presence. So when you Google that real estate agent's name, they need to be a 5-star realtor because you deserve as the client a 5-star service. So you need to make sure that you are going on Google and typing that person's name in. If they don't even come up, that's probably a bad sign, and that's a sign that you probably don't even need to hire them because they have no SEO exposure whatsoever. So you need to make sure that you go on there and find that specific realtor and make sure that you are actually getting a 5-star real estate agent to help you. So guys, I hope that this was beneficial for you. If you are in the Mooresville, Lake Norman, Charlotte area, I do have all 5-star Google reviews. You can Google my name, Brian Quick Real Estate, and it'll come up and I have 5 stars. I am on social media and on platforms. I do all the things that I just said. I don't just talk it, I actually do it. If you're looking and you just want to know what your home is worth, guys, let me know below. I'll contact you, you contact me. I'll put my number down below as well. My email, reach out to me. And if you haven't already, guys, please subscribe. See you later.